Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
You start by confirming your connection and method of signing in. This prevents save errors. Once ready, open Mobile Legends and tap your avatar at the top left corner. This opens profile settings. Make sure you know which account type controls the profile: Facebook, VK, Google Play, or Guest. Each behaves slightly differently. While the profile loads, note your current nickname and ID so you can revert if needed. This simple step avoids accidental loss of recognitions or linked data. You now tap the edit or pencil icon by your displayed nickname to change visible details. Once inside, edit the nickname, avatar image, avatar frame, and verification badges. Each field affects how others see you. Make sure to check nickname availability immediately. If it's taken, choose an alternative or use the rename card, which costs diamonds. Also, verify avatar changes are saved by pressing confirm. If you link a new social account here, make sure permissions are granted so changes persist across devices. You finish by pressing save or confirm and watching for the success message. This ensures edits apply server-side. Once done, link a social account to backup changes and enable account security so you don't lose progress. If something goes wrong, try clearing the app cache, force closing and relogging, or reinstalling. These steps often resolve sync issues. If errors persist, contact Mobile Legends support and provide your player ID and a screenshot, because that speeds up recovery and prevents account complications.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.